Today we're looking at the Facebook Business Manager with a lot more detail. We're going to look at the most common questions that arise from the Business Manager and really the most common places where we get tripped up. And all of the items that we're going to be troubleshooting today with the Business Manager are all suggestions from you. These are all suggestions, aka questions, that came from you in the comment section when it came to the Business Manager. So we're going very in depth with our video today, and we're going to troubleshoot as much as we possibly can. In the event that I don't cover something that is tripping you up, then let me know in the comment section down below and I'll make sure that I make a follow-up video. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, so let's talk about the Business Manager, why you need one, and why we're even here. The Business Manager is designed to be a dashboard for your business. It's designed to be your hub. At the Business Manager level, you're able to connect your ad accounts, your pages, and have it be a place to collaborate with other people. So if you've run ads in the past, as an example, you may have been asked to share your login credentials. That is not good. Don't do that. If you're being asked to share your login credentials, then don't move forward with that company. You need to have a Business Manager account so you can have those agencies, so you can have those partners, so you can have those individuals that are trying to launch ads on your accounts, have them log in the right way as opposed to them taking your credentials. So from a bare bones perspective, the Business Manager allows you to have more options when it comes to advertising, so you have more flexibility in your advertising by allowing other people to collaborate, by you having additional features to your advertising. So as an example, you're able to create custom audiences when you create a Business Manager. If you don't, then you're not able to create those types of custom audiences that you want. Again, it's the custom audience that you upload your database into. So it's that type of custom audience that you absolutely want access to. So it's one of many features that you get with the Business Manager. Now, the second primary reason to have a Business Manager account is to reduce your liability. If you're advertising on Facebook right now with your personal ad account that you have, the moment that you create an ad, then know that you're in trouble or in potential trouble. You have a lot of liability on you where for whatever reason, Facebook doesn't like your ad and it decides to suspend your ad account, then you're no longer able to advertise at all. So with the Business Manager account, you're able to create additional ad accounts that you can run your ads through. And that's one of the big things that we're going to talk about and really trips people up. The reason we're doing these ad accounts is to create a level of separation from the advertising that you're doing in your own personal self. So if you're only advertising as on your personal ad account, then again, if you get suspended, you're done. Now, if one of your ad accounts within your Business Manager gets suspended, you're still good to go. So that's the beauty of it. That's the whole reducing liability. So in summary, Business Manager, absolutely necessary. It's gonna give you more flexibility with your advertising, and then also it's going to reduce your liability from that standpoint. So with that being said, I just wanted to make sure that you understood what we were even talking about, and we're gonna get into some troubleshooting right now. All right, so one of the most common things that happens whenever you do go about creating your Business Manager account and creating your ad account from there is not knowing the difference between your personal account and your business account. So right now we're on our personal account. So every time that I get a DM or I get a call from one of the agents that I work with, it's, hey, I see that you created the ad, but I can't find it anywhere. I can't find my leads. What's going on? Well, the most common mistake is that you're still on your personal ad account and you're not on the ad account that you created through your Business Manager account. So what you can see right here is this is the personal ad account, and what you're gonna see now is the business account, so the business ad account. Hey, one quick second. I know that you're presently troubleshooting, but I would like to ask for one small favor. Would you mind going down to the bottom of this video and smashing like? Thanks. So what you can see now is a campaign that was run through this ad account. So again, if you are having trouble finding the ads that you were launching or you had launched in the past or somebody else launched for you, chances are you're in the wrong place. So all you have to do is go up here and find the account that is the ad account that you actually ran the ads through. So just be aware of that. All right, so another common item that I get in my DMs and in the comments section is, hey, I requested access to somebody's business manager account. They gave me editor status or admin status, and I cannot make any ads from the page that I want to. I don't even have access to their ad account. What's going on? Well, chances are that yes, you were probably added from the people standpoint. You were probably added on the admin, so that's good and that's fine. You have a lot of authority and a lot of power, and even with partners or as an editor or employee, I guess is the new terminology that's being used there. Yes, you've been added, however, you weren't added to the pages. So if you're not seeing the pages that you want to advertise through within your ads, or whenever you're ready to create an ad account, whenever you're ready to create a campaign, then chances are is you weren't added to the page. So here's where you, as a user, if you created your business manager account first and you haven't linked up, all you have to do is go to add a page, and then link it up to the business manager account. And once that's happened, then you add the people that you need to add. So if you have some people running ads for you and they don't have access to your pages, then this is what's going on. Same thing with the ad accounts. You may have added people to your business manager. This is where we're at. And to get here, all you have to do is go to business settings, and you're here. You added them to your people, so you added them to the entire thing, the entire business manager account, but you still have the access. You still have the global access, so you need to add them to the pages, and you need to add them to the ad accounts. And it is right here that if you created your business manager account and you have nothing here, is either you haven't imported your ad account or you haven't created one. I highly suggest the moment that you create a business manager account to go ahead and create a brand new ad account. Again, it goes back to having that level of separation, so you reduce your liability. And in the event that this particular ad account gets shut down, then you have a redundancy by either creating another ad account or having a personal account. Now, one quick item to note here is, and a lot of people don't understand this, is whenever you create your business manager account and go on to create your new ad account right here, you're not going to be able to create another one right off the bat. So there are some time constraints whenever you do certain items on Facebook, and this is one of them. Whenever you create a business manager account and create an ad account, you do have to wait several days. Really, realistically, you have to wait several weeks in order to create another ad account, but just be aware of that. So that's something else that commonly trips people up, not having access to the pages and to the ad accounts. And along the same vein as not having access to the pages or the ad accounts, a new integration or a new item that Facebook introduced was your leads access. So if you are the creator, or if you're the administrator, the person that created the business manager, then chances are you don't need to do this. But if you are giving somebody else access to your leads, then you also need to add them right here. You need to give them access to it so they can see your leads, see the actual leads that come through. Now, this is going to affect mostly your lead generation campaigns, so just be aware of that. Also, this doesn't only affect you, or doesn't only affect the people that you're working with. This also affects the software that you connect. So if you're using the direct connection to your CRMs, or if you're using something like Zapier, which connects several items together, then you do need to give them the access right here as well. So if for whatever reason you cannot see the leads and cannot access the leads that have come through your lead generation campaigns, this is the reason why. Okay, so this one's a little bit more complicated. This has to do with your custom conversions. As you know, I am very much a fan of custom conversions because it gives you a way to track the actual conversions that are happening through your advertising, but also it gives you a way to scale your advertising. So there's going to be more on that. Actually, I'll link up a video right here that's going to teach you how to do conversion ads. But back to the point, this is a custom conversion, and the moment that you introduce a business manager into the equation, things can get a little bit off. So what that means is, whenever you create a custom conversion, you could either create it through the ad account, so the actual ad account that you are running all your ads from, or you can create it from the business level. So the best way to illustrate that is on the right hand side up here, you're gonna see the business ID, and then you're gonna see the ad account ID. So this is the business manager, and this right here is the actual ad account. So where we are right now is the business level. And if you go on to create your custom conversion from your business levels, from the business account, from the business manager, then what you have to do is push the custom conversion down to the ad account that you're launching the ad. So what this means is you've created your custom conversion, and then you go on to run your ads, and then only to find out that, wow, I can't find this conversion. I know that it's working, it says active, but I cannot access it. The reason that you can't access it is because it hasn't been fed down to the ad account. So in order to do that, we're just gonna take this last one here. You're just gonna go to share, and then you're gonna see share custom conversion, and these are all test accounts, so it doesn't matter what they say, but share with a partner or share with an ad account. It's right here that you wanna click the ad account, and it's gonna say, hey, which ad account do you want to share it with? Share to an ad account that you already have access to, which you'd like to give access to this custom conversion. So again, you created the custom conversion from the business manager level, and you need to push it down to the actual ad account that you created. Okay, so this next one almost goes without saying, but I do have to go ahead and say it. If you're gonna link up your Instagram, this is where you're gonna do it. Again, this is back in the business settings. You're gonna go to the Instagram accounts and then add the Instagram to your business manager. This is how you're linking up the Instagram to your business manager, very much the same way that you linked up your Facebook business pages to right here. This is where you would go to do that. Well, as you can see, there's quite a bit to the business manager, but it's not something that you can't overcome. The key understanding that I want to make sure that you get is that the business manager is different than the ad account. As long as you understand that there's a difference and you know how they interlace and how they work together, then you're going to be in great shape. That's 90% of where the questions come from, understanding the differences between the two. Well, now that we've done all of this troubleshooting, it's time to get back to business. So I'll leave a video right here that's going to help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.